Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we'll examine the most common type of basis in property, which is known as cost basis. When we refer to cost as basis, we're really just expressing that the taxpayer's investment in the property is equal to the cost of the property to the taxpayer in cash, debt obligations, other property, or services. A taxpayer's cost also includes real estate taxes, recording fees, expenses for revenue stamps, legal and accounting fees, excise taxes, fees for installation and testing, sales taxes, and freight expenses. In a case where a taxpayer buys property on a time payment plan which charges less than applicable federal rate, then the basis of the taxpayer's property is the stated purchase price minus the amount considered to be unstated interest.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.